This is a walkthrough of how a deep tech startup navigated 4 acquisition offers in 6 weeks to pick the right acquirer, not just the highest bidder. We explore the founder dilemma. Before we begin, a quick disclaimer. This is an illustrative, hypothetical scenario built from publicly available research to demonstrate the methodology. All metrics are research-backed projections. 4 offers landed in 6 weeks: 68 million euros, 72 million euros, 85 million euros, and 95 million euros. They came with different terms, different earnouts, and 3 founders pulling in different directions. This is the core founder dilemma. Meet Disruptive AI Robotics, a Berlin-based deep tech startup with 45 employees. After a breakthrough demo, they received 4 unsolicited offers. The 3 co-founders have different priorities for the exit. The headline number is not the best deal. Earnouts and retention bonuses can shift the total value by over 20%. Founder lockup terms determine the next 3 years. This complexity makes the decision difficult, leading most founders to make a less rigorous choice. THINK25 proposition is to turn founder gut feel into a board-ready exit decision. We use AHP for trade-offs, sensitivity analysis for negotiations, and game theory for competing acquirers. Step 1 is to frame the decision. AI scans research from sources like HBR on each acquirer type, providing empirical data to support founder intuition, such as PE leading to high turnover. Step 2. Define the criteria together. The founders agreed on 5 criteria, with weighted importance: total financial value, founder retention and autonomy, team culture preservation, technology growth runway, and deal speed and certainty. Step 3 is adding the alternatives, the 4 offers, with all terms included. This encompasses the strategic corporate, private equity, VC secondary fund, and family office offers, each with varying financial terms and lockup conditions. Step 4. Compare, aggregate, and rank. Each founder rates offers pairwise. The geometric mean combines their views. Surprisingly, the highest 95 million euros PE offer ranks last, and the strategic corporate wins once the total package is considered. Step 5. Sensitivity analysis reveals the 12 million euros insight. Sliding the financial value weight shows the ranking only flips above 55%. This makes the negotiation rigorous by clearly defining the financial threshold for a different outcome. Stress testing the ranking reveals the 12 million euros of hidden value in the winning offer, including a 3-year earnout, retention bonuses, and R&D commitment. The effective package of 97 million euros beats the PE headline, while preserving key priorities. Step 6. Game theory is essential because acquirers are aware of their competitors. This allows founders to negotiate from a strong model, using the family office's patience and the PE firm's urgency as leverage. Model the negotiation by setting up scenarios, such as negotiating the strategic corporate offer using family office leverage. AI estimates how each acquirer will respond to common founder countermoves to find a stable and successful outcome. By modeling the players, payoffs, and equilibrium, a payoff matrix surfaces the optimal counteroffer. In this case, it added 3 million euros to the earnout terms, demonstrating how a model can achieve a better deal than a hunch. The projected outcome was an additional 12 million euros in deal value compared to taking the highest headline bid. Decision time was reduced to 2 weeks, and 150,000 euros in legal and advisory costs were saved. The founders were unanimously aligned with a documented rationale for the board. The economics show a 1 million x ROI on a 25 euro per month subscription. The 2-week evaluation cost only 12.50 euros, providing a benefit of 12 million euros in deal value, 150K in legal savings, and 2 months of invaluable founder time. Founders walk away with a way to evaluate offers on what actually matters: co-founder alignment in writing, and negotiation leverage backed by a defensible model. They also get a board-ready document and 2 weeks of process instead of 3 months of debate. Give your brain a chance. Try THINK25 for free. Bring your toughest founder decision, and we'll model it with you in 33 minutes. Visit think25.online to start free now.